WaveEar, exploring a mmWave-based noise-resistant speech sensing for voice user interface. WaveEar setup. This demo compare WaveEar with microphone in quiet and noisy environments. We first show microphone's record of speeching in a quiet room.
International conference on mobile systems, applications, and services is awesome.
Next, we show WaveEar's reconstruction of the same speeching.
International conference on mobile systems, applications, and services is awesome.
Now we play background music. The recording of microphone cannot be recognized by speech-to-text system since it contains music interference.
Can you hear me in the noise?
On the contrast, WaveEar provides noise resistance so that the reconstructed speech is available for speech-to-text system.
Can you hear me in the noise?
Thank you for watching.